Good morning, students. This is our first day and this is our first lesson. Going to school. Environmental studies. Going to school. As you know, what is environment? Environment in the sense we are learning about the surrounding of us. Now, in this lesson, going to school, we are going to learn about how we use the transport to go to school. Actually, only for going to school is not a concept, it is a concept related to the transport. What are the different landforms in India and what are the different modes of transport? Now, everyone knows that what are the different landforms in India are there. Hmm? Yes, landform means what? Landform means the area around us. It may be water, it may be land and air. Three kinds of landforms. Now, land, everywhere land is not plain. Everywhere there is not a plain land. And everywhere it is not easy to travel from one place to another place. Now look at this picture. Look at this picture, how these boys and girls both are there, how these two are crossing this bridge. Now tell me, can you imagine why they are crossing this bridge? What is the purpose behind crossing this bridge and where they are going? If we observe carefully, we can see they wearing uniform and they are having books in one hand and in other hand one bamboo is there. Means they are trying to balance themselves and they are trying to cross this river, wide river. They are trying to cross. Now these are the children and very eager, very excited to go in their school. Okay, how we are excited to go in school. And why they are crossing this bridge? Because they don't have the way to go their school in easy way. That's why they are crossing this school by the bridge. What is a bridge? Bridge is a connection between 2 points. 2 points. Now what are the 2 points? Means it is a way to cross from one place to another place. Now it rains so much where we live. These boys are telling in this paragraph their story. It rains so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain there is knee high water everywhere. Knee high means घुटने जितना पानी, घुटने तक पानी. We live in Sangli. We know what is knee high water. Because of flood, everyone have experienced what is knee high water. But that does not stop us from getting to school. Means, yes, water is everywhere. Now it is very rainy. I don't want to go to school. Means this doesn't happen for a student, for a children. For children, it doesn't happen that it is very rainy everywhere and we are stopping to go to school. But that does not stop us from getting to school. We hold our books in one hand and bamboo with the other. We quickly cross the to bamboo and rope bridge to reach the school. मीन्स इस तरह से ये बच्चे ये ब्रिज क्रॉस करके स्कूल को जैसे तैसे चले जाते हैं, है ना. अभी यहाँ पे क्या एक्टिविटी दी है? कलेक्ट सम ब्रिक्स टू नो द ब्रिज. मीन्स few activities are given here. Easily, if bricks are available, you also can do it at home, children. Okay, collect some bricks. Now as lockdown is there and pandemic, because of pending pandemic we are getting time at home, so you can do this activity easily. Look at this picture, how bricks are placed on the floor and how these school girls are enjoying to play on that bricks. They are collected. They have collected bricks, laid them on the ground in a line, and they were trying to walk on them. Now, was it easy for them? Yes, it was easy for them because it is very interesting activity and they were easily walking on them. Now, in second activity, what is let us see what this activity is telling us. Make a small bridge by tying 4 or 5 bamboo poles together. Poles means bigger sticks. 4 or 5 bamboo poles together. Ask your teacher to help you. Now walk on your bridge. How did you feel? Did you fall down? If you walk like this a few times, you will start finding it easy. Now, making a bamboo bridge and walking over them, can you imagine? Yes, it is a thrilling experience because while walking on road, we fall few times. Means if there is a barrier, if there is any obstacle, because of that obstacle we easily fell down. But while walking on this bamboo, is it easy? No, it is not that much easy. So we can say the answer, yes, it is thrilling experience. Understood everyone? Now, do you think it would be easier to walk on the bridge barefoot or with shoes or slippers, and why? Now, when you wear shoes or slippers, you have to wear that shoes or slippers which are having grips. If means sole of that shoes or slipper, it should have grip. Otherwise, again you will feel difficult to walk on that bamboo because it is very soft. Surface of the bamboo is very soft and it is difficult to walk on this bridge. Understood? Now, another way of this trolley. Now, actually, whatever landforms are there, see, this was the landform. This was the bamboo bridge which was used to cross the river or high knee water. Whenever high knee water is there, wherever these kinds of bridge are used to cross or to go from one place to another. Now this is another way to cross the deep rivers. To cross deep rivers. Now this is trolley. In picture we can see this is a trolley. This trolley is used in Ladakh. In Ladakh, you can say Ladakh, to cross wide and deep river. Now what is this trolley? This is called as trolley and it is an open box made of wood attached with the rope. Every day we have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. River कशी है? Wide and deep है. Wide and deep means it's broad. In size it's broad. And deep means that much water is there in that river. There is a strong iron rope across the river. There is a strong iron rope. Now you can see the strong iron rope. Here it is shown. Okay. Here it is shown. Strong iron rope. And across the river. On both the sides, it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. Means in this side also and in that side also, this strong iron rope is tied to strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley, an open box made of wood attached with the rope. and that is hanged over the or attached with that rope. 4 or 5 of people can sit in the trolley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. Now pulley. What is pulley? It is a machine which helps to move the box easily. Understood? We reach the other side of the river in short time, easily. Now it is very wonderful experience for these students to pass the river, to cross the river. Understood everyone? The trolley concept. Trolley means it is a box which is used to cross wide and deep river, and the students were going to school by using this box, by sitting in this box. Wow, means it's a very nice experience for them. Okay, now read these points, and if there is any doubt you can ask on the group. Okay, bye.